Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Timex Ironman. This is the 30 lap model. As you can see here on the back as well, we have a lot of information as well. For this tutorial, I'm going to need a bunch of Watchmaker tools. So the basic Watchmaker tools, such as a pair of tweezers, the new watch battery, which is going to be the CR2016. You will be able to go on the back of your watch, as you can see, battery CR2016. This is most likely the most common watch battery found in the Timex Ironman watches, because usually these need a lot of energy. As you can see, this other model as well, CR2016. I have a full guide for this Timex Ironman triathlon battery replacement as well, link in the description box below. So I have the metallic pair of tweezers, the new watch battery, the pin remover, so I need to remove the watch strap in order to have access to the back of the watch and the watch battery. Then we have a screwdriver. This is very useful in order to open the watches. A non-conductive pair of tweezers, so this is going to be carbon and the other one is plastic. You can opt for these or not. So I would definitely recommend you go online and purchase a basic Watchmaker Tool Kit, because you have all the tools that you need in order to open the watches, to open screw down backs, to adjust the bracelets and so on, especially if you have more watches lying around and you want to replace the watch batteries. So the first thing that you want to do is to use the pin remover with this part with two teeth in order to grab these metallic pins and to take them off. So I'm going to grab it, push it inwards, and then I'm going to try to move the strap. Make sure to take your time, because some of these are very well held into place. So this is the first part. I'm going to put it right here. Now we are going to do this on the other side as well. So once again, grabbing the pin, push it inwards, and then the strap is going to come off. I'm going to place all the watch parts on this side of the table so that I am organized, so make sure to also do that by yourself at home. Then I'm going to take the cross head screwdriver, so this Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to remove the 4 screws. Make sure to take your time as well. If the battery replacement wasn't done for a long time, there is a big chance that some of these screws can be stuck, so make sure to not damage them when you try to remove them. Make sure to also have the correct screwdriver. This is very useful because it actually has a bunch of heads inside that you can interchange. I'm going to leave a link in the description box to this one as well, because it is a real game changer. Then I'm going to remove the back of the watch. As you can see, I can leave it just like that in order to also have the screws right there. Or what you can do is to place the screws in the inner part of the watch back. That is a very easy way to remember where you have put them and to see them. So guys, as you can see now, we have removed the watch strap, we have removed the screws, and now we have access to the watch battery. Now the first thing that we want to do is to replace the watch battery. In this case, we are going to need once again the screwdriver in order to open this cage. There are going to be other models where you need to use the pair of tweezers in order to open the cage. I have a tutorial for that on this one, in case you have a different type of back and a different system when it comes to the watch cage, so make sure to watch that video as well. So now let's open the cage. I'm going to use the pair of tweezers in order to remove the screw very gently. I'm going to place it separately compared to the others, because this one actually holds the watch battery. Now I can actually open the cage and I can take the watch battery out. You can use the metallic pair of tweezers for the old watch battery, and if you have the chance to also buy a non-conductive pair of tweezers in order to maneuver the watch battery, that is great. Now we are going to take, let's say, the new watch battery. I'm going to use the same one because this is already a new watch battery, and I'm going to place it inside just like that. Now we are going to take the back, and we are going to place it first here. You have a small place where you need to insert it, and then I'm going to push the battery in, and now we have to take this screw and tighten the watch battery down. So I'm going to do that right now. Put the watch battery back, and as you can see, the watch has reset. It has started once again from 12. Every time you replace the watch battery, it is going to start once again from 12. Then something that you want to do is to also do the AC reset. As you can see, after battery insertion, short AC pad and battery plus to reset. And you also have a small arrow that points to the place where you need to do that AC battery reset. Here we are going to use the metallic pair of tweezers. You can also use a paper clip in order to do this AC reset. And what you want to do is to go underneath the sticker, and you want to connect that place where you have the arrow at and hold it for 3 seconds. Then when you turn the watch around, as you can see, it is blank. Then you are going to be shown a few random numbers, and then it is going to start once again from 12. This is a great indication that we have correctly done the AC reset, and now you need to put the watch back together. So the first thing that we are going to do is to place the back of the watch and the 4 screws. Also make sure to put back the O-ring, so this rubber gasket that actually protects your watch against moisture, water, and gives you that, let's say, 100 meters of water resistance that some of these watches have. Now I'm going to take the back of the watch, make sure to have Timex written in the same order, and then we are going to put the back in. I'm going to take the screws and put them back, and the other 2 right here. Just like that. And the last thing that we want to do is to also put the strap back in. I'm going to start with the part at 12 o'clock. The first thing that you want to do is to place one part of the pin inside the first hole. Then you want to take your pin remover tool, once again the part with the 2 teeth, and you want to take that pin and put it inside. Make sure to move it a little until you hear that click. That is a good indication that the pin has gone inside. Then we are going to do the same thing on the other end as well, just like this. Okay, and voila, we have successfully replaced the watch battery on the Timex Ironman. You can apply this tutorial for most Timex Ironman and Timex Ironman Triathlon watches out there. Once again, guys, I have a full guide on this model as well. Also, guys, if you found value from this video, once again, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if you managed to replace the watch battery by yourself, if this video was helpful, useful. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews. And also check out our website if you like vintage watches, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. VintageRadar.com, link in the description box below. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.